Hello everyone, welcome to Shotcut video tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you add a black and white to a colored video transition in a Shotcut video. So basically Shotcut is a video editor wherein you can edit the videos as per your choice. So here we have one video for tractor plowing a field which is by default in colored. So what are we going to do in this video is we are firstly going to add a black and white effect to this video and then slowly transition it into the colored video. So let us see how do we do that. First of all, select your video, make sure it is playing, then click on this plus icon to bring it over here onto the timeline. Once your video is in the timeline, you have to use your header, this header, to navigate to a position where you want the transition to actually happen. So this is the place where I want the transition to happen. Then you can either use this split option from here or use the S key on your keyboard to split the clip into two parts. Now the two parts are created. We can select any of the part for applying a black and white effect and the other part would remain colored. So suppose we apply a black and white effect on this part, then this part would remain colored and slowly it would transition from black and white to colored part. So let us just see how do we do that. First of all, select the part where you want to apply the transition. Once you have selected a part, it will be showing with red outlines. Then go to the filters pane. Here the filters would be opened. Click on this plus icon and search for saturation. So saturation, if you just click on it, right now the level is 100%, so you can just decrease the level like this. And let's move our slider into the video where we want to apply a black and white effect. Here you will see as the saturation levels is decreasing, the color is fading away from the video. So this is what we want to do. We need to get the saturation to a 0% so that no color is shown in the video and the video becomes a black and white video. Okay. So first of all, let's just go to the very first frame and see how it is looking since we have applied the black and white effect on our video. So this is how it is looking, and abruptly the color comes into our video. This is something not correct. It is too abrupt. So what we are going to do is add a transition. So what we do over here in the filters itself, click on this plus icon and search for fade out video, this effect. Then let's see how it is looking right now. If you just go to the first frame and then just play, so slowly it transitions into a black screen and then comes a colored video. So instead of that, if we just click on this icon that says adjust opacity instead of the black and then just go to the very first frame or a few frames back and then slowly see the transition, then it is again happening too abruptly. So what we're going to do is we are just going to go with a blank screen. So now if we just see the final look of our video, this is how it is looking. Slowly the blackness increases and it changes into a colored position. So that's how we can change the video. We can transition the video from a black and white to a colored video. You can add as many transitions as you want. That's totally up to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.